we're installing some universal rear fender flares or rear fender vents. So I have currently a KIA Optima wide body kit installed. So this rear fenders are going to be located on the back. So the goal and objective of today is to cut them out. I'm not going to paint them or get them painted. I'm just going to wrap them quickly right now. So I'm going to go and do like a little time lapse of that. These are the vents right here. So what they include are the sticks, the venting for it, as well as the double-sided tape. This is going to be the tracer right here, and I'm going to wrap it myself. Not a professional wrap, but then we're also going to install this SXL badge on the front of my custom-made front grille. So I'm going to put them here, that badging, and you can install these on any car. You just got to make sure that you have enough spacing, because these are pretty big. There's some pretty big vents. I'm gonna show you guys an example. So they're gonna be located right here. You could install them anywhere, but since I have a wide body kit and this rear fender on the back, I can't install them here unless I cut it and just do one. So I'm gonna do it right here, right about here. This is like where I'm gonna install it. It's gonna be here, so I'm gonna have to cut through this. There's nothing in the back side, I already checked. So yeah, it's gonna go on the back there, double side. Yeah, so this is a KIA. You can install on any car, as I said. And we're gonna be installing this on a Maxima as well. His is not wide body, they don't have no wide body kits for a Maxima 2016. But yeah, I'm gonna do a time lapse of me wrapping these real quick. And then once I'm done wrapping, we're gonna start cutting. So cue the time lapse. Guys, I ran out of battery on my other camera, so I'm recording on my GoPro. But this is my final product from wrapping. This is just temporary. I'm gonna get it powder coated one day. I'm not sure when, but as of now, this is how I'm gonna be running it. So now I'm gonna install these vents on it. So I'm put the GoPro on my head. That way you guys could see the installation process of the vents. Alright guys, I'm gonna start installing these. Gotta take the tape off. Alright, I got one side done. This is how it turned out. I used a lot of pins for the first one, but then on the third one I didn't have, on the second one I only used 3 right there, but it's coming out pretty good. I used some Gorilla Glue, and this is gonna be how it's gonna turn out. This is just to give it extra strength. Alright guys, so this is how it should be. The glue already has dried, and I put on the double-sided tape. I already drilled holes. Some cars you might not have to drill holes, but for mine I have to, because the bumper is not the same shape as this design right here, as this curve. So in order to make it look flush, I have to put nails. So this is already ready. It's time to cut right here. So I already have the template. I'm gonna get a Sharpie and mark it and where I'm gonna do the cuts. But yesterday night, off camera, I installed this one, and this is the final result. What do you guys think? So I painted the nails black, and To me, it looks pretty good. I like the way it's coming out. It's pretty flush on the top. The sides, except for right here, it's not really that flush because it doesn't really press that much. Here it's flush, but this is a little angle on how it looks from the back. I like the carbon fiber wrap, the way it looks. It matches my rear diffuser. But that's how it should come out on the other side. So this side, what I'm gonna do is get a Sharpie, do the outline. These holes are already prepped. This vent's ready to be placed on. I just need to get the grinder and cut this off. So I'll put this on my head and let you guys watch the process of doing this. Alright guys, so the best tool I'd recommend is this right here. I'm not sure the wheel size that I'm using, but this is the brand Makita. Pretty cheap, but it works. This is the one I used yesterday and it grinded really fine. So that, as well as a drill bit right here. Here we go, and these are my painted nails. And I used some Gorilla Glue. And what else? And that's pretty much it. You guys might not have to wrap it. You guys could probably go take it to paint. But other than that, it's an easy process. It should take you about a day. Honestly, it should take you only probably like 3 hours maximum. But because I wanted to wrap him and it was my first time wrapping, it took me about, say, 5 hours. I did one side and now I just need to do the other side. So I'm gonna put this GoPro on my head, let you guys watch the outcome and how it turns out. Alright guys? Alright guys, safety first. You gotta use your glasses. You gotta put some glasses on. Here's the Sharpies. Alright. Here's the Sharpies right here. I got this taped on just so it could hold. Let's see if I could do this with one hand. Want your outline to come in as best as possible, use one of these. I'm gonna get a bigger one, but if you use one of these, you're gonna make a deep wedge into the body of the car. So I'm gonna use this one right here. So you're gonna make a deep wedge into the body of the car, and it's gonna help the wheel fill in that gap and prevent it from moving side to side. This is a little trick I found. If you use one of these, you gotta press a bit hard, but you use one of these, it's gonna help the wheel follow this line right here. Now it's ready. I could take this off, and that's where I'm gonna be cutting. Alright guys, so this is the outcome right here, and that's the cut there. So right now what I'm going to do is grab the vent and make sure it does go in. So now I'm gonna test fit to see if it does clear, or if I'm going to have to cut a little bit more. Alright, first one's going in. Guys, so I finished it up. That's the final result right there. Let me show you guys the other side. That's the final result right there. This side came out really good. This side, not so much. I'm not sure why there's such a gap right here. I'm probably gonna have to drill. I'm gonna have to make a hole and make another drill there. But man, that looks aggressive. And this is a functional vent right there. Car's looking really good. I'm gonna go wash it up and then do a quick photo shoot with it. As of now, I believe I am the first Kia with it, but not only can you do it on Kias, you could do it on any car. These are designed for WRXs and Subarus. Yeah. Yeah, some vents in the back. How does it look? Looks good?
You changed, look, it looks good.
Put those vents in the back right there. Yeah.
In the back, it looks dope.
Thanks, man. Yep, and that's it right there. Vents are done. Gonna take it for a car wash. And after that, do a quick photo shoot. That's pretty much it. Badging complete. Got the SXL on there. And we also got this installed as well. It's looking pretty good. I like the way it turned out. Run. You're hot. You're hot. 50. Washing the car. Now it's time to go do a photo shoot, and then from there pretty much end up the video. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright guys, I'll go make sure to put the photos up so you guys can see what kind of photos I took. But as of now, Instagram in bio. Hope you guys liked. Make sure you guys subscribe, because that way I know if you guys are interested in watching my videos, and I'll continue to do so. And yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Peace.